First year maths 1A, most important basic questions from the functions. The first question, if a is equals to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and f of mapping a to b is surjection defined by f of x is equals to cos x, then find b. So given f mapping a to b is a surjection, given a set is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, then f of x is given as cos x. So we need to find the values of cos at each and every angle. So first one, cos f of 0 means cos 0 is equals to 1. Next, f of pi by 6 means cos pi by 6. Wherever x is there, you have to put the values. So pi by 6 means it is 30 degrees. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Then f of pi by 4 means cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value is cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Next, x in the place pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value is 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Cos pi by 2 next. So cos 90. 90 value is 0. So here we are getting the values as 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2, 0. Next, a is equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and f mapping a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equals to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. So here given a set is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and here given f of x is x square plus x plus 1 and we need to find b set, means wherever x is there once you have to put minus 2. So f of minus 2 means minus 2 square plus of minus 2 minus plus 1 is equals to minus 2 square, answer 4, plus into minus minus and plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 2 will give you 3. Next we have to substitute x in the place, next value minus 1. So minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 square, answer plus 1 and minus 1 plus 1 will give you answer 1. Next f of 0. So wherever x is there 0 you have to put in x. So 0 square plus 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Next f of 1. So wherever x is there you have to put 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1 is equals to will give you 3. F of 2, the last one. So 2 square plus 2 plus 1 will give you 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 7. So here we are getting the values are 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. But we have to write the elements in a set only one time. The repeated we should not write. So we have to write 1, we have to write 3 one time only. Next 7. Next, f mapping R to R is defined by f of x is equals to 1 minus x square plus x square, then show that f of tan theta is equals to cos 2 theta. It is very easy answer, but students will get confusion. Here nothing to worry. Given f of x is equals to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is given, then we need to show that LHS as f of tan theta. So f of tan theta means wherever x is there you have to put tan. So in the x plus you have to put tan, in the x plus you have to put tan. So it will becomes 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Okay, it is looking like trigonometric formula as cos 2a formula. So this will becomes cos 2 theta, that is only our RHS, hence proved. Next question, if f mapping R minus 0 means real number other than 0 to real is defined by cos x is equal, f of x is equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x value is 0. So here given f of x is equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube. We need to write LHS. LHS is f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x means whatever is given that only we should write. F of 1 by x means wherever x is there you have to put 1 by x and wherever x is there you have to put 1 by x. So this will becomes f of x means as it is. F of 1 by x means this will becomes 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. So here 1 by x whole cube means it is only x cube, and here also 1 by x cube, and here minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube gets cancelled, and here denominator of denominator will goes to its numerator. So it will becomes x cube and minus x cube. Those also gets cancelled, then answer is 0, hence proved. Next question, if f of x is equals to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equals to x plus 1 by 2 for all x belongs to R, then find the G circle f of x and f circle g of x. So here given f of x and g of x, the first bit f of g of x and also here g of f of x. So don't be confused here. Somewhat different is their calculation simplification. Look at. So g circle f of x is equals to g of f of x. So wherever f of x is there, you have to substitute 2x minus 1. So first we have to come inside to outside of the function. So first outside g as it is, f of x in the place 2x minus 1. Next g of 2x minus 1 means we have to put wherever x is there 2x minus 1 in the g function. So here we should write as 2x minus 1 and extra plus 1 by 2. Understood? So here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. It will left over only 2x by 2. So 2 also gets cancelled. Only the answer x. And now coming to f of g of x means f of g of x. So again we have to come inside to outside. So inside g of x in the place we can replace x plus 1 by 2 and outside f as it is. Next f of x plus 1 by 2 means wherever x is there you have to substitute x plus 1 in f function. So 2 as it is, x in the place, x plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 is as it is. Now 2 gets cancelled. Then what left over? X plus 1 minus 1 and then 1 also gets cancelled. So what left over? Only x left over. So here also answer both the cases x only. F is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1. Then find first bit 2f, 2 plus f, f square, root f. So here given f is equals to function 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1. First bit 2f. So we have to multiply with the 2 table to the function f, but we have to multiply only the codomain. We should not multiply domain. Only we have to multiply to the codomain. Means y parts only will be changed, no x parts. So 1 as it is and this 2 into 2, 2 as it is, this 2 into minus 3 and domain 3 as it is, 2 into minus 1 will give you 1 comma 4, 2 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 2. Next he asked 2 plus f. So we have to add 2 to the only y parts, only ordinates, only codomain range. So 1 as it is, this function 1 as it is, but here we have to add 2 plus 2, next 2 as it is, then we have to add to second part minus 3 plus 2 and 3 as it is and minus 1 we have to add plus 2. So we will give you result 1 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 3 plus 2, subtraction 1, bigger number sign minus, and 3 as it is, 2 minus 1 is result is 1 and bigger number sign plus 1 is result. Next we have to find f square. F square means we have to square to the codomain part only. So 1 is as it is. Next he given 2 now, so 2 square, 2 as it is. Next is given minus 3 now, so minus 3 square. Next 3 as it is, he given minus 1 now, so minus 1 square. So result is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 9, 3 comma minus square will give you plus 1. So it should be plus sign, don't be confused. Next he asked root f. Root f means we have to put the we have to find the values of roots of domain codomains. So 1 comma root 2, 2 comma root of minus 3, 3 comma root of minus 1. But root 3, root minus 1, root under negative values are imaginary. So we should write only real parts. So answer is only 1 comma root 2. Next question. F is equals to 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma minus 4 and G is equal to 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, 8 comma 5. Then find F plus G, F minus G, 2F plus 4 and f plus 4, f into g and f by g mod f, root f, f square, f cubes. Don't confuse. For VSQ these are many they asked. Don't think. They will ask only 2 parts out of these. If it is comes VSQ, if it is come LQ, they will ask more than 5 terms out of these 10. So given f function and g function, he is asking to find f plus g. Whenever he asked both the functions, we have to check same domain parts. What domain means? X values. So here x value 4 and here also x value 4 and here x value 5, here there is no x value 5, so leave it. Here x value 6, here x value 6, so we have to consider here x value 5 but here no x as 8, so same is there, consider, otherwise leave it. When he asked both the functions, he asked only single means you have to take all the 3, but he asked both means both common part of x we have to consider. So 4 comma first function second term function ka co-domains you have to add. So here 4 ka what? 5 and here what? Minus 4. So 5 minus 4 and g ka what? Minus 4 plus 5 will give you the result 5 minus 4 will give you plus 1 and plus 5 minus 4 will give you plus 1. Next, f minus g. We have to do subtraction of again 4 comma 6 terms. So 4 comma 5 minus of minus 4 and here 6 comma minus 4 minus 5. So we'll give you the answer minus into minus plus 9 and here same sign addition but bigger number sign minus, so we'll give you minus 9. So one silly mistake students will do, that's why I written like this. Okay, next he asked 2f plus 4g. So like this also you can do, otherwise eliminating the other non-common parts, only considering common parts, otherwise first write everything. 2f means you have to multiply the codomains. Already we did na in the previous problem, like that only. 4 comma 2 5 is 10, 5 comma 2 6 is 12, 6 comma 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 and here 4 table we have to multiply for the g table. So 4 comma 4 4 is 16, 6 comma 4 5 is 20, 8 comma 4 5 is 20. Next we have to take again common parts, those are 4 and 6. So we have to add in between, so 10 minus 16 or minus 8 plus 20 will give you the result minus 16 plus 12. Next one, f plus 4 means only one function, so you have to take all the 3 cases. So 6 comma he given 5 plus 4 gives nice, 5 comma 6 plus 4 gives 10, 6 comma minus 4 plus 4 will give you 10. Next, f into g asked. So again 2 parts, only we have to take common table 4 and 6. So here for 4 he given 5, for 4 for g is given minus 4. So 5 into minus 4 minus 20 and here also for f minus 4 for the g 5. So 4 into 5 minus 20. Next he asked f by g. So first values by second values. So 4 comma 5 by minus 4 and 6 comma minus 4 by 5. So both are not same and we have to write minus to the numerator only at the last step. So it is minus 5 by 4, it is minus 4 by 5. Next he asked mod f. Mod f means it should give only positive values of the function f. So all the 3 cases we have to write. So here in the question given 4 comma 5, mod 5 value 5, 5 comma 6, mod value is 6. In the question given 6 comma minus 4, but mod value of minus 4 will give you plus 4. So it should be plus 4. Next he asked root f of x. So 4 comma root 5, 5 comma root 6. Next one 6 comma root minus 4, but root minus 4 value imaginary, we should not consider the imaginary, only 2 cases. Next he asked f square means square of the parts. So 5 square, 6 square minus 4 square will give you 25, 36 minus a square positive 16. Next he asked f cube means 5 cube, 6 cube minus 4 ka cube. So 5 cube answer 125, 6 cube answer 216, minus cube answer is minus, 4 cube answer 64.